Welcome to the channel, a Jaden Chase. Now people, I was really wrong with some of them mania. Now the police report is stating that 41-year-old Marvin Arthurs, otherwise called Bamboo, a carpenter of Retreat in Westmoreland, has been charged with murder following a post-mortem report which revealed that his common law wife, 35-year-old craft vendor Phoenicia Halton, died from multiple blunt force trauma to her chest. And this is all because Hilton attended a party that Arthurs did not want her to attend. No, this serious. You hear me just say? That man a murder him common law wife just because she attend a party. Not because of how she was dressed, who she was there with, or how she was behaving at the party. Just for attending the party. Now the police report is that Hilton and Arthurs were at their Top Hill district home with Hilton's 2 children. This man do this to the woman in the same house with her 2 picnic them in there. Now the children state that they heard an argument over Hilton attending the party. Now during the dispute, it is alleged that Arthurs used an hammer to hit Hilton in her upper body, which resulted into her falling on the ground, becoming unresponsive. Naturally, this is a grown man. I hit a woman with a hammer. Even Bounty Killer reacted to the situation after the news started to circulate social media, stating that even when he was allegedly involved in an altercation similar to this, to which he states it was a blatant lie, because if that was true, this would have been the results. Now, Arthurs subsequently went to the Negril police station where he filed a report about the incident. We don't know if him this a show remorse for what him do. I am just a try to cover him tracks by saying they had an altercation. Now after him say what him said though, he was subsequently arrested on reasonable suspicion of murder. Basically it sound like him to tell them say yo, after him left the place, she was unresponsive. The police later visited the scene, and on their arrival, Hilton was seen inside the bedroom, lying face down with what appeared to be marks of violence on her back. Now, of course, she was transported to the Savalamar Public General, but she was pronounced. Now, after the post-mortem was conducted on the body of Hilton, it was revealed that her death was as a result of multiple blunt force trauma to the chest. This man was so enraged, hitting this woman with a object with the force that when law enforcement went to the scene, marks were visible from her back. Just because the woman go at the event? No, sir. And this man knows that the woman picked them in the house. Obviously, the youth them live with her. They matter with the age, but truth be told, if him could have do that and leave the yard, I must youth them. And maybe them just never want to put themselves in a certain trouble. Which me gonna say was wise thinking. Some couldn't do it, but me gonna say it nonetheless. Wise thinking. But this man take this woman's life over just attending a party. You know, the hearts of men desperately wicked, like what them say. Or as it was written. People talk to me in the comment section. It's also a show how aggressive the society has become. We see it in all walks of life. They're not going to use criminals. They are already criminals. We talk about see it in the schools with the youth them and the way they must solve them disputes in a violent manners. We see it in domestic situations. A craft vendor and a carpenter. You don't expect them to build an enterprise. Sure, sell craft items. This man a create them. You don't think everything will go good. This woman choose for attend. She choose for attend an event. Say man tell her she can't attend no event. She can't go nowhere, but him not say she for go. What is? And this woman being a grown woman, we have her 2 youth them. Of course, she can choose to go. She want to go, she go. And this man in a heated argument. Comment section open. And the other stories making headlines today.
Brandon, hold on. Who named Brandon? Parish name, sir. I'll catch you first when I put you on. Good morning, Mrs. Jackson. How you doing? Well, I'm seeing what we're all at first now. And good. Alright? About the call for the 13th. No, okay. Let you go, Mr. Oh, you have to work now? Oh, okay. Alright, that's okay. Yeah. Yellow badness. Decoration. Cover it with base, you know, for me. Cover it with base, you know, for me. Yeah, man. With sugar, when I deal with sugar, man. Richness. Yeah, man, I eat that put it back up there now. I said, for me, eat one, I eat it. Mad. All of the plate, Ella, come in. Eat plate, watch your plate. Yeah. All it. Yes, you go outside. Nah.
Friend or no friend, the security guard said the lifestyle where I live behind the bars is not for him. And so I'm that live him life. Go him work. And I take care of who him for take care. Patterson, we don't know what him did about. Law enforcement, I say all evidence point to him. Them stop search for other suspects. They must say this is the individual. Another individual also get charged just for not sharing information about the crime committed by Patterson. That for sure is them definitely know say or believe that Patterson indeed took the life of Anika Slickianna Townsend. Talk to me in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, just pass through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Now until the reason again, live, love, and prosper. Stay tuned.